Let's walk you through how to use the 2024 social media template. Today, I'll take you through all of the steps that you need to do. First, we start with the face behind the brand. If you're a small business, understand that you do not need to compete with big brands. Big brands have influencers that can be ambassadors for them. However, as a small business, there needs to be a face behind a brand. So here you can modify it by simply just changing the name to Sandra, and or you can also change the text if you do not like this particular text. So we should change it to Laura and reduce the font and resize according to your needs. And once you have that done, the next thing you can do is to update the name to fit your business. So you can change it to your business name, skin, migration, or something. For now, I would just leave it as Aceit Digital. Then you can come in here and update it with your value proposition or your business description. Okay, and then after that, you would want to change the color. Sorry, you would want to change the photo. So one thing you can do is just take the photo and replace it. So one way you can do that is by doing something um, as simple as this. So you just drag and drop from your photo box and replace. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This template can be used in so many ways. You can use it as a way to say the word of the year, or you can change it into, let's make a copy and change it into the word of the month. So you can have different themes for the month of each the 12 months of the year. And so every single time you can come in and just update it as the word of the month. Or one thing you can do in order to make sure that you have enough posts is to pretty much copy 12 times and take it and update it 12 times, and then you can now schedule it through your scheduling app, or you schedule it on social media through the Canva system. Okay, let's go on up to the next part of this. This is what's new. And again, you can repose this post to be done as a what's new in a certain year or what's new in the month. Okay, so if it's the month, just say what's new for January or for February. What's new in January. So there you can now put some images that would represent some things that are coming up in your business. If you're a skincare business, then you want to do that. Then you want to maybe segment your audience. If you deal with entrepreneurs or if you deal with career professionals in your beauty brand, so you want to do a what's new for them for that month. Um, and you just list out the programs or your offers. If you have 20% discounts, you want to list it out up here. Another thing you can do is you can play with it a little bit, move it up a little so you can give yourself more space to be able to outline everything that's new. So imagine if you don't want it this way, you can also do a situation where you have bullet points and then just list out everything you want to write on there, and then you post it on social media. So this can lead to your talking points for the whole week, your what's new, because or for the whole month, because then you can just focus on, maybe sometimes you post quotes, sometimes you post testimonials, but then most of the time you would post offers. So each, maybe 2 times in a week, you're posting offers that you want people to take advantage of. And this is where you come in and then just post a snapshot of what the offers will look like, not all the pictures, but just one picture, which again you can drag and drop, just like so. into the circle. Um, so yes, that's how you use it, and you can repeat that as a yearly thing or a monthly thing, as I've said. So this again, it's a repurposing is a content that could be repurposed. So you can do this. What I'm focusing on, or what we are focusing on, because you can actually do this. What we are focusing on in 2024, and you list out all the things you're focusing on, or you can do what we are focusing on in January. And like I said again, you can update the font to fit your needs. Make sure you're always changing the name, but you're always putting that hint so that others will know where the post is coming from. It's almost like your trademark. So just remember that you can change the photos, you can change, but this is just a general snapshot. The same here. We have this template, and you can just change the template, make sure that it looks good, and you go from there. And you can add your testimonials here. So one thing you want to do is on your social media, you want to have variety of posts. So while you have video content, you have video posts. You also want to have, text posts as well, so that you have variety most of the time. And sometimes when you show what's new, just going back to this post, you can actually have a video that you would insert in here, so that you're able to showcase exactly what's new. So you can have a video like this, and people are able to see something, and then just have an image on both sides, and you're ready to post. Um, so now let's go to the wins. This one you can use it, every month, or you can use it just one time in the year. It's up to you. Um, and of course, you can also post it, this every single time, just like this, but change it to your own needs. So you can post it every single time in the month, just to remind people of the wins that you had. One thing you can do, if you have set your brand information already, so you can go to brand and just change the colors as you will, and the colors will just automatically shuffle. So this is something that is really nice. So in order for you to be able to update this, you probably need a premium account. So just understand that you need a premium account to be able to update these colors in a very sequential way. So now let's talk about favorite products. On this post, you want to focus on favorite colors. So favorite products. So favorite products could be something from your store, like a digital product, or it could also be, let's say, the skincare product that I just showed right now, and you want to be able to showcase it in a post. So one thing you can do is you can pretty much just take that product and copy, go this way, and then it shows up here. And you also want to maybe show another side of the product. Or again, like I said, you can do videos. So once you do videos, you just have a video of the product from a different angle and put it on here, and that's also great as well. Again, this almost seems like something you can do for the month or the year. So it's up to you. In terms of client transformations, I'm imagining this for maybe a makeup business or something like that, or even, a service business if you do things like website design, SEO. So you want to show maybe a snapshot of what it looked like, maybe a more visual infographical snapshot of what it looked like before, and then what it's looking like for the client after, because now they have everything just sequential. um, this is for quotes. Sometimes you can pick quotes. You can pick 12 quotes in the month and use this, or you can do quotes every week. This is up to you. Or if you have something like a thought leadership that you want to put in, this is where you take a snapshot of whatever you're saying on your post and then put it here. So this is very, very useful that way. So here, from your own perspective, you want to write about a client's transformation or a feature or a testimonial here. So this is very versatile in how it will be used. Then let's go ahead. You can do a sneak peek for a new product that you're launching. So just do a sneak peek where you're showing someone a little bit about the product, maybe from the back end or maybe blurry. It's up to you. It's up to you how you really direct this. Sometimes sharing lessons can also help your audience connect because it's a relatable story that they really want to know about. So you can use this to write about your month's insights. Sometimes you might even do videos, but you always want to have a cover for the videos that you do. A lot of people on Instagram do not use that feature. However, it's a really neat feature to use. So this is something that I think that you should consider. Well, thank you for watching. I hope that this was very, very helpful in helping you set up your social media. Have a good one.